We took our company from $0 to $100,000 a month in less than 12 months, and we're gonna walk through exactly how we did that step by step. So the number one thing to start with is finding a reliable acquisition channel. Now, the first company that we started was called Gym Closers. It was actually a marketing agency for gyms. And in the beginning, we were trying to outsource the marketing, which is one of the biggest levers that you can pull in any business. One huge thing to recognize is that if the biggest lever in your business is reliant on somebody else's business and the success of their business, the value of your business significantly decreases. If you can have your marketing in-house, I would 100% do that. So find a reliable acquisition source. You can use cold email, you can use Facebook ads, Google ads, any one of them will work. The thing is you have to find one and stick with it. Do not get shiny object syndrome when it doesn't work because you started out and the lead quality is low or whatever it might be. People always change acquisition channels. And the problem is they never stick to one and get good at it. All of them will work. I know businesses that are 100% sustainable off pure cold email. I know businesses that run TikTok ads. Any of them will work. You just have to get good at it. The market is different for each one.
You also need to prioritize building strong relationships with your clients. Now, we have clients who fly into Vegas all the time, and we always try to make the effort to meet up with them and find ways to connect in person. Because think about it. If you help them with their business, they will bring you more business. So it's way harder to break a relationship than it is a transaction. So in turn, you get a solid partnership and free acquisition.
Now, the acquisition source of our choice is Facebook ads. One of the reasons is because that's exactly where I started and it's what I got best at. But again, any one of them will work. Facebook ads has one of the best algorithms when it comes to target or finding your target demographic. Now, what I would also connect to this is an AI attribution system. So this is something like HighLevel or Commonly that not enough people are using right now. What this does is it uses a strip of code, kind of like your average Facebook pixel, but Facebook pixels do not collect anywhere near as much demographic data anymore. So you take this piece of code, you put it on your websites, your landing pages, your calendar systems, integrate it to your CRM, and what this does is it tracks the higher quality leads that are coming into your system. It takes the demographic data, their age range, their IP address, their latest iOS update that they're using, etc. And it automatically retargets those people on your advertising platforms so that your ads get smarter over time. This is one of the biggest game changers that people are using today.
And the next thing would be to have open lines of communication. Now, communicating with your sales team is optimal because they're the ones speaking to the leads every single day to determine who's coming in through the front door. And you need to train your team to stay organized to track data every single day, not just once a week or once a month, but consistent feedback is optimal for growth. So for example, our setters are diligent in color coordination as it tracks back to our attribution system. So a small example is yellow is for confirmed calls. Orange is people that showed to their calls that were just maybe not a good fit and maybe someone that gets our free value or resources sent to them. Red is no-shows and greens would be good fits. So this information is then tracked and sent back to the advertising platforms that we utilize to ensure that our money is going to the right acquisition channels.
Now, one key tool that you're going to want to implement into your process is AI appointment setters. Now, this is something that has really been changing the game, especially over the last 2 years, that still not enough people are using. What this does is something that can connect to every single lead source. So once you do find a reliable acquisition channel, what forms you have on your website, what ads are you running, where can people potentially submit their information and become a lead in your system? We need to connect conversational AI to all of those leads because it's always faster and you can program it to be better than humans. So what we do is we reach out to every single lead that comes into the system within the first 5 seconds. We nurture those leads, and if they don't respond, we follow up. Once we get a response, we ask a series of qualifying questions. The AI will then book an appointment with an actual human salesperson, which adds levels to the series of stages throughout the sales process. So now you're building rapport through text message, you're building rapport on a call, and it makes it 10 times easier to close.
And the last thing is to have a strong appointment booking process. So lead management is a huge bottleneck in most businesses that we've seen. So we need to have a strong process to ensure the leads we're paying money for convert at a high rate. And your first impression matters with this market. So in my personal opinion, I think trying to replace this with voice AI, at least right now, or entry-level guys isn't going to be the best idea. We're past the times where you can run an ad and where people book look, they show, and then they buy just like on autopilot. So you need to make sure that your team is hammering the phones, getting verbal confirmations, and can provide a ton of value to outbeat your competitors. And it's the business with the tightest process who actually wins.
Now, if you're enjoying this content, great. Make sure you like and subscribe. We're huge fans of you actually taking initiative and figuring this out on yourself. But if you've grown your business to the point where you don't do everything by yourself and you do need some help, we can build out all of these systems 100% done for you. We also have a 100% free Skool community in the description where you can sign up. We have a bunch of courses, we have group calls, but more importantly, if you want to book a call to see if you qualify to work with Active Solutions, click the link below in the description.